go. Where are you going?
I'm going to the ocean park.
Wow, Ocean Park. We're going to Chaiwan Platform 3. Ito. Kaya nga. Ito ang Admiral. Daming tao. Hi. Kela. We're here. Yo, we're here.
Init.
Ganda ng weather. Fresco. Kitang-kita naman. Ocean Park. Pupunta muna kami dun. Yun, mga cable car. Ay, humihinto pala yun. Let's go. Saan yun? Let's go. What?
I can see the cable car from here.
Yes, it's there. Go down.
Open. Ay, hindi pwede pala isara.
You welcome your viewers.
Hi guys. Hi pa, welcome to this video.
For today's video,
We're going up the mountains.
Wow, where's this? Where's this
we're
mountain?
in the ocean park. In the ocean park.
Look at this. Hi.
Hi. We're live. Wow. You're taking a video of me taking a video of you.
What?
Yeah, you're taking a video of me taking a video of you.
Hi, bye.
Oh my god.
Viewers were very high.
Yeah, my fear of heights kicking in. My fear of heights is kicking in. I go.
I'm like, this is awesome. No. Just look at how far we are.
Yee, look. Hi.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, Daddy.
Daddy!
Oh God. We're in the cage.
Be careful. Oh my god, nanak yung pa ako.
Where are you now?
Oh my god.
I'm almost up the mountains and look at the sea.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Also, my mom is scared of heights.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Hi. Say hi to the other one.
What?
My goodness. It's so freaking high.
Let's go. We're
Oh, ayun doon. Doon, sa may yellow. Look, look, look. Ah! Let's go to the penguin. Here. Look at them. Here. Ella, here. Enjoy the water. Yan na. Up! Oh! Yay! Oh no! Just enjoy the view. Wait. Ay! Oh no! Oh no! There's a rocket one. Hold! Hold! How are you? How are you?
我还疫情前我还
Dalawa, relax lang eh. Ayun, nakalabas na tayo. Yay! Yay! Oh, break. Oh, hawak agad, hawak agad. What's that? Uy. Those are your pets?
Hi guys, we're going to see some goldfish. Even though it's not gold, it is a fish. This is one.
These are the first golden diver carp. Appeared in the wild in 2065 AD. Where's the gold?
Too close.
They are goldfish, man.
We will go inside this. What is this? Wait, what is that? And that? And that? I was getting confused.
It looks starfish. Daddy, come back. A newt?
No, where's the newt? Let's find the newt.
I hate newts.
Look there. There's the newt. There. There's the newt. I will take a picture. Hold this. There's the newt. There's the newt.
What's that? Frog?
Hmm.
A newt.
The newt.
Oh, the newt.
Do not look at the frog. I do not need a frog.
Why? That's the frog.
A small fish. Two fish.
Is it cute?
Yes. See that? Oh, Daddy! Look how big this is.
Yeah, di ba ya?
Someone's feeding. Someone's feeding them. Wow, cute. Ano to? Ocean Express. Ocean Express na parang sa Hogwarts. Balik na kami doon sa baba. may panda. Oops. Sa kabila bumukas.
Pag ganon.
Hindi, may bumabayan. So, dito ko. Hi. Hi. We're here. We're back. Oh. Ternyata oh. Pacar saya Pak. We're here. We're back. Kahit saan, dito sa may mga panda maliliit. Yun, doon kami galing kanina, ang taas. Yun. Yung tren, pabalik dito. Ayan, dyan dumaan sa bundok na yan, underground. Meron dyan? Ah. Na red panda. Hello, red panda. Hello, red panda.
I know,
red. Let's go. Mami. Oh, that's the CCTV, oh. The panda is already sleeping, oh. There, oh, on the TV. The panda is resting na.
It's in a crate.
Nah, hindi natin namang gising. Look. This. This is oh, nalala. Ay, hindi. Totoo. Oh, yung mata niya dito.